you're going to want to use a pick tool. There's a little rubber cover that covers all three, one, two, the middle one, and the end one. You're just going to use a pick tool to pull this cover back open. And as you can see, that should be a T40 Torx bit. So I've got my socket. We'll just put it in here, just like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this off. So these are really easy to get off, which I think really is the best way of doing this. Now you could probably take your side trim off too, but I'm not going to, simply because it's put down by adhesive, and I would have to use fresh adhesive to take it down. Plus I'm just gonna use painter's tape to mask all that off. So prep work on this is really, I think it's gonna take the longest out of all of this. It's just prep work on all of this. So pull all three bolts per side, and then I'm going to take these top rails off and set them aside. I'll show you the cleaning process and everything we're going to do. We're going to walk through masking off all the rest of the car. Now, I've also washed the car really nicely, so it's clean and ready to go, but I've got plastic cleaner, and we're going to go through every single step along the way to get this taken care of. One additional thing I wanted to show really quickly is these little rubber kind of protective footing pieces just lift off. So this may be a good opportunity to clean. So I know when I pulled mine off that these were just filled full of garbage, just like gravel and rocks and dirt and all kinds of stuff, because this is all sealed under, right? So all the years of stuff getting in here, and I don't know if these have ever been off. So this could be, 19 years worth of dirt underneath.